A light magnitude 3.0 earthquake hit 12 kilometers, 7 miles, away from Loerrach, Baden-Wurttemberg, Germany, in the early afternoon of Monday, July 28, 2025 at 3:48 p.m. local time, GMT+2. The quake had a very shallow depth of 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, and was felt widely in the area. First to report, volcano discovery after 2 minutes. Data source from volcano discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.